Basa dito ha.
The train is long.
Very good.
The car is short. The sky
Isn
in the snake is long.
Ito pa. Ito muna.
The
Earthworm
short
is
short.
very good.
The branch is long.
The branch is long. Next.
The leaf is short.
The leaf is short. Wow.
I
have. Ito.
Long hair.
Very good.
The lanterns festival.
Very good.
Lantern
Festival. Dragon.
Sheep.
Galing ah. Ito.
Sheep.
Very good. Ito lang. Sabi ni Ethan.
Look.
Ang galing.
Lanterns.
Galing.
Pag sa gabi.
Ano ba to?
First.
Ano to?
Fish.
Fish.
Lantern. Rabbit. Lantern. Dragon. Lantern. Sheep. Lantern.
Ito pa.
Chick. Lantern.
Galing. Ito naman. Basa.
Good morning. Good morning. Bird, bee, butterflies, grass, flower. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, birds. Good morning to you.
Ba't kaunti?
Good morning to me.
Galing.
Drawing a
Picture. Draw a picture.
Draw sky.
Tree.
Sun.
Cloud.
Sun. River.
Wind. Nature. Dito tayo. Nagdo-drawing kasi si Kuya dito eh.
Opo. I draw the sky.
Very good.
I draw the trees.
Galing ah.
I draw the clouds. I'm drawing the
Wait. Relax lang.
I drawing,
Draw lang.
Jerola, Jerol,
I draw
Jerol, the sun.
Very good. Next.
Ay, ko na mag-sticker.
Basa na lang tayo.
I draw the
River.
river. Tapos na.
Last na.
I draw the
Wind.
wind in this planet.
Hmm.
I draw picture of what?
Nature.
Nature.
Galing!
Very good!
Again.
Ako naman ang magbabasa.
Oh, sige, ikaw na. Oh, dito muna. Basahin mo muna to.
Toy, teddy,
Bear.
bear, balloon, kite, water, balloon,
Gun.
gun,
Water gun.
water gun, ball.
Okay, next. Dito muna ang una. Ayan. Ito.
I have teddy bear.
Very good. I have a teddy bear. Ito naman.
I have a gun.
Galing. Ito pa.
I have a balloon. I have the kite. I have the water gun.
Very good. Oh.
Gusto ko pa.
Gusto mo pa?
Apo.
Anong sunod? Ito naman. Ay, tapos na pala to. Ito. Tapos na din yan.